In a collector's quiet world of fine detail, there's a cabinet that opens up without fail. Drawer slide smooth like a well-oiled gate. 3D printed strong, it carries the weight. 112 scale mini craft cabinet. Foldable design, you gotta have it. Print it, click it, build it with your hands. Serious storage for your tidy up plans. Stacks of drawers inserted in a way. Hold your supplies, keep your workspace okay. It transforms quick, rolls easy on wheels. Built for the maker who knows how it feels. From close real tight to wide open wide, every hinge and drawer's a source of pride. 112 scale mini craft cabinet. Engineered details that'll never quit. Print, click, and build, get your copy today. Wilhelmus 3D showing the way. 112 scale. Craft cabinet, yeah.